So a few lessons I've learned from being an immigration attorney trying to get my clients out of ICE detention here in Michigan. And where to begin? I mean, first and foremost, I try to meet with all of my clients in the jail personally at least once. But if you know anything about these jails, many of them are owned by a private corporation called Geo Group, for profit, and they like to just make up the rules as they go. So a few months, I mean, when I started doing this, for several months, no problems at all. Could see as many clients as I want, whenever. I'd see them in groups of 10, be relatively efficient about it. I'd still be at the jail for a long time, but it is what it was. Like, it was fine. Get in, spend a few hours, get out. Good relationship with the guards. Everyone honestly there is pretty nice. Then one day there was a visit from the Congress woman who represents this district, and I was walking in as she was walking out. Chatted with her for all of 30 seconds, but chatted with her in view of some of the admin and managers at this private corporate-owned ICE jail. So walk into the jail, and mind you, the night before, I'm talking the night before, I was there at 11 p.m. met with about 10 clients at once, no big deal, typical day. As I'm walking in after that encounter, I see somebody I've never seen before. It was some kind of administrator or something, and they look at me and they go, "Yeah, you can only see one client at a time now." I was like, what? And not only did I go like, what? All the guards who I've been working with for months, who were standing right there, who heard this guy say that, reacted the same way. They were like, this is not a rule. They said that to him. They were like, when was this a rule? And he said, it is now. So basically, it's turning what was normally a 8-hour day at the jail to I would see maybe 10 clients in the span of like 3 hours typically. And now it takes about 2 hours to see one client because I have to see one at a time, and I have to go back to the front of the building after each visit, and it adds about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to each visit, to each conversation I have. So they're basically making it impractical to see everyone, but you know what? Impractical is my middle name, baby. So I blocked off this entire week, heading there right now.